We've all been there. You're at the bench, you run into a problem, and there is nobody around who can give you the right answer immediately. That's why I created Jörg's Digital Mind. After more than 20 years at the bench, I've seen most of the problems technicians face. Pressing problems, furnace issues, fit problems, material questions, workflow confusion. And I have worked through solutions in real production. Now put that knowledge into one tool. You can access it anytime, 24/7, from your phone or laptop, and even in your own language. No need to wait for a manager, no need to call a company, no ticket, no callback tomorrow. You ask the question and you get help right away. That's the idea behind Jörg's Digital Mind. Real technician knowledge, instant answers.